Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna try to help you with this 403 error when you're logging in your Hostinger account and you see a message like network error or connection lost. So there are a few things you can try to fix this problem. So first thing you should try is to reload the page. So click on here to reload and just refresh it and see if that helps. You can also try to open another part of the website. So you can like right click and then here open in a new tab. You can also use a different browser. For example, I'm using right now Safari, but I can switch and use Brave or Chrome or Firefox to see if it works better. I also try to and just check your internet connection. Instead of using Wi-Fi, you can use a cable connection, and this can solve the problem. Try to reset your router. That's something you can try. And if that still doesn't help, you can also use a VPN. Well, VPN will give you a new IP, and some browsers like Opera and Firefox even have built-in VPN. And if that still doesn't work, you can contact your internet provider. They can check if your IP is blocked and maybe remove the block or give you a new IP address. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.